All right, so in this video, we're going to do an example from topic 0.5, which is these weighted average word problems. So in this one, we have Dion, a chemist. He has 1 liter of a solution that contains 14% hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to underline that. So 1 liter contains 14% hydrochloric acid plus unlimited 19% hydrochloric acid. Now I'm going to underline that in a different color. For a particular experiment, he needs to prepare some that contains 18% hydrochloric acid. So what he needs is 18%. So he's got 2 solutions. He's got 1 liter that has 14%, an unlimited amount that has 19%, but he needs it to be 18%. So how much 19% should be added to the 14% to get the 18%? So the thing with this is we have 2 different solutions and you're trying to mix them to make it a certain percent. So what we do is we're going to take what we know. So we have 1 liter of 14%. So 1 liter times 14%. And whenever we have percents, you need to rewrite it as a decimal by moving the decimal place over 2 places. So that's 0.14. So 1 liter times 14% plus. Now the other amount that we have is 19%, but we don't know how much we have. So let's say x times 0.19. So these are the 2 solutions that we need to add together, and that's going to equal some amount times 0.18 because we want our final solution to have 18%. So just to recap what we did, we have 1 liter here of the 14% solution, and then plus we don't know how much we're going to put in of the 19% solution equals some amount, and that needs to equal the 18%. So that's what we need. Now this amount that I left blank here, we actually sort of already know what expression we're going to use because we know that we're adding 1 plus x liters together. So this is just going to be 1 plus x. So this setup for the equation looks kind of complicated, but for all of these questions, it's the same setup. So you take your one thing here, multiply them together, and then you've got an unknown amount multiplied by the percent. And then you add your 2 amounts together here times the percent that you want. So let's solve this now. Let's choose a different color. So now we're solving this equation. So 0.14 times 1 is just 0.14 plus 0.19x equals. Now for this, we have to distribute the 0.18. So we have 0.18 times 1 is 0.18 plus 0.18x. All right, so now we just have an equation that we need to solve. So first thing we need to do is get the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract the lower one, which in this case is 0.18x. So then we have 0.14 plus 0.01x equals 0.18. Subtract 0.14 from both sides. So then we have 0.01x equals 0.04. And then we're going to divide by 0.01 and 0.04 divided by 0.01 is equal to 4. So we need 4 liters of that other solution. So I'm running out of time on my video, so let's type that in quick. And that's that.